This is Athang and today I am back with another new video, and today I am going to make an app review on the Spain Paranormal white noise box. And I must tell you that I found something really interesting yesterday. uh, I was searching Spain Paranormal Spirit Box version 1 on Play Store, and I found a comment which was saying that a, a Spanish ghost was speaking English through a Spanish white noise box. So it was really amazing, and quite funny also. So without waste, so without wasting any time, we should start. I have already wasted too much of time. So here's the SP white noise box. Xavier Sands 2016 Spain Paranormal SP White Noise Box. This spirit box scan at 100 meters noise and meters per second noise and reverse banks randomly. Noise gate is less for static. Okay, so here we go. I put this on. So as it said that it also has a noise gate to cancel the another unwanted voices, so I will put the noise gate on as well. So here we have the pure white noise with us. Hello spirits, this is Asan. If you would like to communicate with me, please come forward. Is there anyone over here with me? Can you tell me, is there anyone over here with me right now? Can can you tell me what is your name? Can you tell me how did you die, please? How how many of you are here with me right now? Do you miss your family? Do you have a message for someone? I heard help me. How can I help you? Okay, is there anything you would like to say before I quit this session? Okay, I heard help again. Uh, all I can do is actually pray for you, and I hope that God helps you on the other side. Okay, so thank you, spirits, for your time. That's all for today. May your souls rest in peace. Thank you.